This is my dust collection hood for this lathe. It's going to sit over here on an articulating arm made from these pieces of oak. And in order to be able to move this hood this way, as opposed to just sliding it back and forth on the arm, because I may need to make some adjustments here, I put a T-nut in here. You can see that, and I will put a bolt with a knob on it in here, and all I have to do to adjust this angle to where I want it is turn the knob, and it sits here on this hinge so that it's not wearing the wood. Got these all sanded up. Applied a coat of lacquer-based sanding sealer. When it dries, I'm going to hit them with a coat of Johnson paste wax, and then I will start assembling the articulated arm for my dust collector. Look how pretty that oak is. Hard to believe that came out of a pallet, or off a pallet. Some of this figure is just phenomenal. Right in here, got some flame from a crotch. Same here. And on this side, even more. Pretty cool stuff. It's pretty. The articulated arm for my dust collector is mostly done. This is going to mount here. And I'll do that tomorrow. And it works just fine, as you can see. Now, the weight of that and the weight of the hose would put too much on here. So what I'm going to do is put a bungee cord up in the ceiling, and then I will hang this heavy hose from the bungee cord, and it will support the weight of the hose and the articulated arm largely. So that's what we're doing. Okay, here it is. Articulating arm is done. Mounted. It works fine. I can put it pretty much wherever I want it. Keep everything out of the way of the lathe because it moves. However, so I can put it wherever I want it. Moreover, the thing that it's hanging on also contains the new mount for my new camera, which is now pointed down right over the bedways. So once I get that charged and working right, I'll be using that for my videos as well. So that's done. Now I can get back to actually doing some turning, I hope.